Can your phone be hacked by a phone call? Are you weird to answer calls getting from hidden or private numbers? Are you thinking that your phone might be hacked because you had answered a call from private number? The answer to the above questions is absolutely no. Because no hacker can hack a device by simply making a phone call. Hello guys, I am Revan and welcome back to our YouTube channel. As the technology is rapidly increasing day by day, we humans, either directly or indirectly, depending on this internet. We people are traversing these zeros and ones across the globe to fulfill our needs. Of course, we know that all our digital data is stored in the form of zeros and ones. We are expressing our emotions through these zeros and ones. Even in this pandemic, we people are educating by traversing these zeros and ones across the globe. All our personal information, including sites we visit, health records, traveling information, and almost everything regarding us are stored across the world in huge amount of data centers by different vendors. We have the right to protect our data. We should protect our data. But massive amount of data regarding us is not in our hands. For example, consider these banking transactions. We are making transactions, but our transactions are stored in bank's centralized database. In order to protect that, we don't have the access. We are not the legitimate ones to protect that. But we have the access to manage and alter the data up to some limit. When we make a transaction, the amount should be debited from our side and credited to another. In order to complete the above transaction, we need to somehow access the bank server. And these end devices such as smartphones, laptops, tablets are letting us to do that via internet. If our end device, consider as a smartphone, if that device is compromised by a hacker, he may theft our identity and he may do whatever he wants by masquerading us. All this process is not an easy thing, but it may happen. In order to compromise our device, a typical hacker may use various attacking techniques. That depends on us how we interact with those techniques. Among various, let's discuss one for our better understanding purpose. Let's discuss about phishing attack. Phishing attack. Phishing is a social engineering attack often used to steal our data such as credit card information, login credentials, etc. It occurs when an attacker masquerading us as a trusted entity. For example, a hacker may create a website which looks similar as Instagram, but it is not an Instagram's official website. We people in hurry may log in that website, which leads to stealing of our login credentials. An attacker might call us and say, "Hello, we are from Google. We have sent you an email." Open the email and click on the link. If we click on the link, he may compromise our device by injecting a malware into our device via email attachment. Like this, there are various types of techniques. So, no one can hack our device by simply making a phone call. But there are chances that a hacker can compromise your device without your interaction. That means, when you are using a vulnerable application or when you are in a public internet, the hacker can enter into your device via that vulnerable application. Thank you. Thanks for watching and I am Revan signing off.